Welcome back to my channel Maison Dor Network with me, DiorShaari. My sync had problem, so I tried to search for something on in Shopee and or Lazada, and I found this, which is my friend bought for me. So it's called Mibed. Pipe cleaner or something. So this is in Chinese, but I'm gonna do the translation. I'm gonna show you the translation in English later on, and so we just do the simple unboxing here. So okay, later I'm gonna screenshot and share to you. Just a moment. Okay, so you see this thing. So let's open it. Okay, then like this, then you open. So so that's the like that. Okay, so I'm gonna try and see. Okay, then see. In Shopee, it's 188, but actually the normal price that I bought it before is like 2 ringgit something, 2 ringgit, almost 3 ringgit. Okay, so like this is how to use it. Okay, and well, it's basically just the same with others. Okay, let's see the product description. Here, just right, see there, see here, and this one, this one, this one. Right, that's it. Okay, let's see.